Guys, in this video I'd like to share one very useful experience of installing additional modules for the Python2 on the Kali Linux. As pen tester, you know that we always encounter situations where we'll be required to use Python2 rather than Python3 to run some older exploits. Although Kali Linux has both Python2 and Python3 installed, in some cases, we need to install third-party or additional modules for the Python2 to make the code work properly. So this is what I'm going to show in this video. And before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux. I assume that I'm targeting one CMS made simple. And to get the exploit, we can use such as exploit and followed by the keyword of the CMS. And this code is I'm trying to use, and we can use the option of with M to get it down or get the copy of this code. If you take a look at this Python code, you know that this code was written in Python2, and as I mentioned at the very beginning, Kali Linux has both Python2. If you want to run Python2, you can use Python and followed by the 2 to run it. Okay, and also Python3 is installed by default on the Kali Linux. And to install this code, we can run Python and followed by the file name of the code. However, we got the error, no module named term color. If we running Python3, to install the module would be very easy. We just run pip install and followed by the module name, right? However, this just install the module into the Python3 environment, which is not what we are expecting, right? So how to do? And also, as you know, pip is not supported anymore. So we cannot use some sort of the package manager to install automatically or easily. We need to, install pip manually. And let me copy this address. We can copy and paste over here. And then we can run it. All right, it's done. So the pip has been installed into the Python2 environment. Next, we can run install to like a term color module. Python2, the module is pip and install term color. However, you will get an error. I think you will also get a similar problem. So how to solve this problem? We need to upgrade the setup to, okay? And so we can copy and paste over here. Run it. And then if you install term color again, this time will not be issue anymore. So this is what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Hopefully this can help for your penetration. So that's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.